Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on my media channel. We're unboxing an old one. This is an old one. It's not even, this is like 2017, so this is definitely long past its prime. I don't even know if the digital copy is going to work anymore when I go to redeem it, but let's look at it and see what it is. Call Me By Your Name. This was actually an Academy Award winning film, won for Best, I believe, Original Screenplay, and Timothy Chalamet got his first Best Actor nomination. This was also when everyone liked Armie Hammer before we found out that he was a little bit of a strange fella. We look on the back and we have some pictures of the movie. It's Movies Anywhere, not Ultraviolet, so that gives me some hope that the digital code will work because Ultraviolet, as many of you are aware, no longer exists. That was one of the first digital lockers and to come out, and it was also one of the first that closed down. Now, thankfully, they had a plan to transfer those movies to other digital lockers, but, well, if they didn't provide that, then a lot of movies would have been lost from people's collections. And, you know, one of the reasons why, even though I personally like having digital copies, it's definitely convenient. This one's actually really hard to open for some reason. I still encourage people to buy physical when they can, and that's why I will continue to buy physical media, even if there are a dozen streaming services. So, okay, we opened that. It has a little latch thing. So here's what I do with these latches. I can't stand them, so I just pull them off. I don't think I need to, you know, have the thing holding there. Okay, so I'll take this out. I'll try to redeem it later, and this is what it looks like. I like the simplicity. I like how it has the label, the kind of the cursive title. Not much to say about it otherwise, but yep, that's another great movie for the collection. So I'm curious, do any of you have this movie? Oh, look, apparently, apparently there was like a piece of the Blu-ray case that broke off, so I don't know where that came from, but anyway, do you have this movie? Have you seen it? Do you like it? What do you think of it? Can you watch it even with Armie Hammer in there? Let me know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care.